Hi, and welcome to Epic Luxury Travel and Lifestyle. Luxury is what we define as a state of great comfort and elegance. Speaking of which, today we are in Australia. We are here to explore the state of Victoria and its capital city, Melbourne. Victoria is known for its soothing weather, breathtaking scenery, and of course, special luxurious getaways for those looking for the experience of a lifetime. Melbourne, known as the coffee capital of the world, calls you towards its expertly brewed coffee and central art precincts with charming laneways. However, with your trusty luxury travel expert, you can explore much more. Fortunately, you have chosen the right video. Melbourne is a timeless travel destination, which is both beautiful and cosmopolitan. You can unveil it all during a luxurious vacay. Melbourne is known for its beautiful botanic gardens, happening art scene, and museums, but there's a lot more we are about to introduce to you. Melbourne is also where you pack for the 4 seasons in one day. Let's explore the different spots to see what you could be up to on your luxury trip to Victoria. Before we start, take a second and hit those like and subscribe buttons. Now let's begin. First up, somewhere luxurious to stay. Victoria's Lake House Daylesford. If you are a nature's tranquility lover, Victoria's Lake House Daylesford is a retreat for your soul. The elegant house on the shores of Lake Daylesford draws foodies from all over the world for the elite taste of modern Australian fare made from local produce. The culinary delights crafted by the head chef and even co-owners have been awarded for their uniqueness. And if you wish to learn something from these award-winning chefs, we suggest you book your seat in Lake House's cookery school. Yes, you heard it right. But here's the thing, they only take up 10 guests per class, and each class includes a 3-hour cooking session with 2 senior Lake House chefs, as well as a 3-course lunch of all the dishes made during a class. It's the perfect spot for a luxury trip with spacious suites and rooms on the waterfront and with private access to the lawns. From the aromas of freshly baked loaves of bread, seasonal flowers, skillfully brewed coffee, to the state-of-the-art spa with several treatments, this has to be your go-to place. Moringa Springs. Located 3 hours from Melbourne and a 30-minute drive from Halls Gap, Moringa Springs is one of the most lavish hotels in the area. The hotel is a mix of natural beauty with 5-star luxury, making it drool-worthy. This all-in-one hotel offers a perfect bar, a restaurant for scrumptious food, and luxurious lodgings. Here you'll be treated to an ultimate double shower and spa bath experience, massive beds, and wooden fireplaces. All the rooms of this hotel are equipped with flat-screen TVs and also features a lounge area for all the guests. Oh, and this lounge area has some of the most beautiful views, so we doubt that you'll even want to move from there. At the restaurant, you can enjoy fresh local produce and a local wine list to choose from. And if you feel like relaxing and want some reflective time, go to the pool and enjoy the majestic Grampian views. What we love about it is that this extravagant lodge only accommodates limited guests, which means there's no way your experience and privacy would be disturbed. You are spoiled for choice for food in Melbourne, as it is a bit of a foodie's paradise. For a memorable bite to eat, try out Q at the Empress if you want to be impressed. Located at 721 Government Street, Victoria, the Q at the Empress is classic fine dining, but with a modern twist. The interior imbues royalty and decadence with the luxurious plum-colored artwork and seating to the tall, ornate ceilings. They serve the best Pacific Northwest cuisine, complemented by delicate herbs and vegetables grown in the chef's on-site garden. The mouth-watering menu and the jaw-dropping interior are enough to make anyone fall in love with this restaurant. While you're there, we suggest you try their signature dish, roasted Peace River lamb loin with charcoal eggplant, thyme potatoes, and Kalamata licorice crumbs. And we promise you, you'll need more and more of it. Now let's check out some magnificent activities and ways to experience the marvels of Victoria. Feel the Yarra River breeze while on a luxurious hot air balloon ride. While you're in Victoria, you can't miss out on the thrill of floating above the spectacular landscapes at sunrise. The once-in-a-lifetime experience brings a bird's-eye view of the picturesque Yarra Valley, located an hour's drive from Melbourne. The tour starts early in the morning so that you can witness the sunrise over Melbourne. If you choose the right company, you can enjoy hassle-free transfers, breakfast, and even in-flight photos. An opportunity where you can genuinely get breathtaking sun-kissed pictures for an irreplaceable dreamlike memory. Also, along with being luxurious, this experience is also one of the most romantic ones. Take a dip in the natural geothermal hot springs and enjoy some lavish spa time. Imagine a place so beautiful that it is award-winning. On the outskirts of the Mornington Peninsula is where you can find these secluded natural geothermal hot springs bathing and spa experiences. You must book a private tour for this. They are definitely worth every penny here, and you will feel as good as any A-lister when you are done. The view is absolutely phenomenal and not to be missed. Take a private helicopter flight to the 12 Apostles. While there are several other things to do in Melbourne, we believe that taking a private helicopter flight to the 12 Apostles is the most luxurious experience ever. Firstly, we will let you know that this trip has to be reserved in advance and it costs $1,800 per person. Once you book, you'll get in the helicopter and experience the excitement of soaring over the magnificent limestone stacks of the 12 Apostles. You'll also get enough time to visit Castle Rock or even for walking down the Gibson Steps. When that happens, make sure you capture enough pictures to save this unique experience forever. All this sightseeing is thirsty work, so no visit to Victoria would be complete without a private wine tour to check out some of the exclusive wineries in the region. The tour company will create a bespoke tour just for you, catering to your preferred wine palette and arrange a lavish lunch. That's all for today's video. Have you been creating a mental trip to Melbourne already? Let us know in the comments below what you are planning. Before you go, please smash those like and subscribe buttons so that we can bring more incredible content to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next epic video.